Hey everybody, today I'm working on a 12 by 12 canvas and I'm going to be working with some glow-in-the-dark fluorescent paints. I had done a couple videos a little while back and it turned out okay. I only had just like the regular glow-in-the-dark, but I was at Michael's the other day and I found some glow-in-the-dark. They're Martha Stewart Crafts. Fluorescent glow in the dark. So the first one I have is green, which is that one there. And then I have yellow. And this one actually is Anita's glow in the dark, and this one is just called glow pink. And then I have orange. So I am just going to do a flip cup with these. So we'll see what happens here. So I'm going to start off with the green in the bottom. And all my paints are mixed with Liquitex pouring medium, floetrol, and some water. Alright, then we'll top it off with the orange. The orange feels like it's a little bit thicker than the rest. I'm not sure why. I thought I mixed them all the same, but sometimes when they sit for a little bit, they thicken up. Alright. So I'm actually going to do it this way today. And hopefully that's enough. I don't know. I do have extra in my cup in case I need to go around it. I normally would go around it with white, but I'm not going to today. And I don't have any, I didn't put any silicone or alcohol or anything. So we'll just go ahead and lift. Okay, I'm going to use my torch and pop these air bubbles. Alright guys, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and do another one, because that is definitely not going to be enough. I'll put them in the same order that I did before. Okay, now this time I'm going to just try to get it right over here. Wow, that's probably my best flip like that yet. Just a little bit around there. Okay, so I'm going to try to go that way just a touch for now. I had a ton of air bubbles. Alright, so I'm gonna just start going this way a bit. I do have quite a few cells that I didn't use any silicone or anything. Try not to lose all that. But of course I did. I do like this area. Ooh, I want to get that all over. It's pulling itself under. is what's happening. Okay, I'm going to try to line this area. That doesn't matter so much, but, and then this won't pull itself under that way, because I do like what's going on in that section right there. It's not really working. There we go. Alright. Okay, that did kind of work out, so. Alright, so I'm going to go over it. Okay guys, I'll take you in for a close-up. This actually has a lot of cool detail. I didn't use any silicone or any alcohol, and I got very cool cells and lacing. Like, it's awesome. I love it, especially right through here. It's really, really cool. That part looks really cool. I like. I don't know if you can see, like right there. And there's more cool cells coming up. That part looks really cool too. Alright, so stay tuned. I will show it to you when it's dry. Okay guys, here's the painting all dry. The colors are still really nice and bright. And it looks pretty cool. I like it. And now here it is in the dark. So that looks kind of cool too. And here it is under a black light. Give you a little bit more close up of it. Looks pretty awesome. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.